What's up guys, TJ here with a very exciting unboxing for you guys today. I finally, after 2 months of having no iPad, have gotten an iPad once again with the beautiful new iPad Pro 2018 model. Now this is the little guy, as they want to call it. Most of the tech reviewers are giving the much loved attention to the 12.9 inch, but here I am giving the love to the 11 inch model, because to me, I do still believe that the 11 inch, which was previously the 10.5 inch, is still the ideal size for using it as both a casual iPad as well as a productive device. So to me, the 11 inch is still where it's at. And plus, the smaller size does come with the slightly smaller price tag, so there's always that benefit as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. I am, as you can probably tell, extremely excited. So there's always that satisfying first step of taking the plastic off of the device, which we will do now. And this is not even the device, I don't know why I said that. This is just the packaging plastic here. And just for the sake of time, I'll do this real quick. And while I'm doing that, I will tell you that I did not end up getting the Apple Pencil after all today, even though I did actually pre-order one. And the reason for that was I initially did not want to actually pay for it out of pocket, but rather put it on my Target card. As it turns out, Target doesn't even have the Pencil 2nd Gen in stock, so I did end up today ordering one once again, this time from Apple directly, and you can actually get the new Apple Pencil engraved. That's a little fun fact, and I did get it engraved, and I'll do a video on that as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. So as you can see, the box this year has some really cool artwork on it. It really looks very cool. As usual, picture of the iPad itself and 2 Apple logos on the side. So that's pretty awesome. And let's see if I can do this without dropping it. Taking the top off of the device. I apologize if the video is somewhat shaky. I'm trying to do this with the tripod on top of a shoebox because the angle just wasn't right. Okay, so here I am again. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get the box off. Let's get the top off of it. And here it is. Okay. After a little struggle, here is, I know you guys can't see that too well. Wow. I am holding the new iPad for the first time, obviously. And I can tell you already there is quite a difference in terms of overall volume and in terms of just the size. It has the same overall footprint of the 10.5 inch, but now almost the entire front of it is screen. Really nice. This feels so premium, so good in the hands, as you'd expect on any Apple device. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Man, I almost don't want to do it, but let's do it. There's nothing more satisfying than taking the plastic off a new Apple device. Oh yes. I love the new squared edges compared to the tapered edges of the previous generation iPad Pros. It kind of reminds you of the iPhones of the past. It's so sleek looking. I'll give you a side view of it. As you can see, I was talking about the squared off edges. They look much better. And there you go, that's the new Apple Pencil connector. There was, I guess, I saw on YouTube some confusion about this. There's only one place on the iPad to put the new Apple Pencil to charge it or to pair it, and it's right there on that connector. And as you saw on surfing plenty of videos on YouTube, this is where the smart connector is located now. A little bit of an interesting choice by Apple, but I understand why they had to do it. And now we do have a camera bump on the camera. And now the antenna lines are on the top and bottom of the device now. Excuse me, I'm sorry, just the top of the device. And of course your volume buttons, your power button on top as usual. let me tell you guys, this is an extremely sleek device. It feels so good in the hands. And like I said, this is only the 11 inch, and I say only, and I probably shouldn't say only, but it's the 11 inch, and so it's not getting as much love from tech reviewers this time around, but it really should be, because again, I still feel like for most casual use, this will be the ideal size. And I will turn it on for the first time, although I'm not going to actually set it up on camera. That is so nice. And it's nice because also the iPad, Apple didn't have to worry about including a notch, because obviously the two-depth camera system can be put into the top bezel, which is really nice. But yeah, that's about it, guys. And this is a first look at the new 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch model. Super nice. As always, I'll be doing my testing in a full review video in the next few days or so. But yeah, I think it goes without saying already that I'm going to be very pleased with this guy. Oh, how could I almost forget on the bottom too? As you can clearly see, it's USB-C now instead of the Lightning connector of the past. Now, let's hope, fingers crossed, that we see USB-C come to the iPhone in 2019. But yeah, so you will have to get new dongles and accessories. And it's also worth noting too that the previous generation Apple Pencil is not compatible with this now, because it's now USB-C. So that's the first look, guys, at the iPad itself. And this time I really did get right to the highlight of the video. But you know what, before I end the video here, I will also show you the other stuff in the box as well. I guess I should do that, I almost forgot. So you have the documentation, which obviously just has your instructions, as well as Apple stickers, the usual good stuff. And again, documentation. And who doesn't love Apple stickers? I know I do. It's in there somewhere. And here's the Apple stickers. Sorry about that, guys. I was trying to find the Apple stickers. There we go. And of course, now the biggest difference is the inclusion of the new 18-watt power adapter with USB-C instead of USB Type-A, and the USB-C charger cable. So now this will support fast charging out of the box, which is yet another good feature that Apple has given us without additional cost. It's always nice when Apple tosses in additional value. So that is the unboxing of the iPad Pro, like I said earlier, and I will end it here for now. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out for now.